What if I told you that sleep is the brain's cleaning service, and every time you skip sleep, toxic waste builds up in your brain? Not metaphorically, literally. This is the science of the glymphatic system, and it may explain why poor sleep is linked to Alzheimer's, brain fog, and faster aging. For decades, scientists wondered, how does the brain clean itself when it doesn't even have a lymphatic system? Then, in the last decade, researchers discovered something extraordinary. It's called the glymphatic system. What is the glymphatic system? The glymphatic system is the brain's detox system. It uses cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, flushes through brain tissue, washes out metabolic waste, including amyloid-beta tau proteins, other neurotoxic byproducts. These are the same proteins linked to Alzheimer's and neurodegeneration. Think of it like a dishwasher for your brain. Why sleep is essential. Here's the key insight. The glymphatic system works best during sleep, especially deep sleep. Peer-reviewed animal and human studies show that during non-REM slow-wave sleep, brain cells shrink by up to 60%. This creates space for fluid to flow. Waste is flushed out far more efficiently. When you're awake, the system is mostly shut down. So no, meditation, coffee, or resting cannot replace sleep here. What happens when you don't sleep? Research using advanced brain imaging shows sleep deprivation slows glymphatic clearance, toxic proteins accumulate faster, amyloid-beta levels rise after just one night of poor sleep. Human studies using MRI tracers show that sleep-deprived brains clear waste more slowly than well-rested brains. This helps explain why. Chronic poor sleep increases Alzheimer's risk, brain fog worsens with sleep loss, cognitive decline accelerates with aging, plus bad sleep. Aging, sleep and dementia. As we age, deep sleep decreases, glymphatic efficiency declines, waste clearance slows. Multiple peer-reviewed reviews now describe glymphatic failure as a possible final common pathway to dementia. In simple terms, aging brains, plus poor sleep, das toxic buildup. Sleep isn't just recovery, it's neuroprotection. What improves glymphatic clearance? Science suggests glymphatic flow improves with deep, slow-wave sleep, consistent sleep timing, dark, cool sleep environments, side sleeping, shown in animal studies, healthy cardiovascular and respiratory rhythms, things that impair it, alcohol, sleep, deprivation, fragmented sleep, chronic inflammation. Why this changes how we see sleep. Sleep isn't passive, it's when your brain takes out the trash, protects memory, reduces inflammation, slows neurodegeneration. As neuroscientists now say, you don't just sleep to rest, you sleep to survive. If sleep cleans the brain, then skipping sleep isn't hustle, it's self-sabotage. Protect your sleep, your future brain depends on it. If you want more science-backed health, longevity and brain optimization, like, subscribe and share this with someone who says, I'll sleep when I'm dead.